Mount 2 screens up to 25 inches in size with a maximum weight of 20 pounds. Each with 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm VESA backside mounting holes. Oversized C-clamps work well with desk that has beveled edge. It bridges up to 1.5 gap of the beveled edge. This monitor arm supports 360 degrees full rotation for landscape or portrait orientation. It pans 180 degrees and tilts -90 degrees to +45 degrees. The arm can be raised and lowered up to 16 inches tall from the desk to the mount, so you can adjust to your preferred computer station. Mount onto any desk surface up to 2.25 thick with detachable VESA plates in a matter of minutes. It ships in one package from Los Angeles. The transit time to 48 states is 2 to 8 days. Single arm. Supports monitors 17 to 27 and adjusts smoothly. Heavy-duty arm. Holds up to 20 pounds. Tilt. -20 degrees to +20 degrees. Rotate. 360 degrees, portrait or landscape. Swivel. Max 180 degrees. Easy assembly. Mounts onto any desk surface that's 2.25 thick with desk clamp base. VESA compatible, 75 by 75 mm. Top reviews from the United States. Great monitor arm. It worked as it should, easy setup, and even held my 34-inch curved just fine. Ended up buying a second one for my 27-inch and it came with an extra clamp end. Love it, and much thanks to all the great products I've purchased from ApexDesk.